Are you struggling with affiliate marketing? Don't worry, we all make mistakes. But if you want to save yourself some time and money, you need to know what not to do. In this video, we're going to discuss the 5 don'ts of affiliate marketing that you need to avoid if you want to succeed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we teach you all about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative way to make money online, but it's important to know what not to do. In this video, we're going to cover the 5 don'ts of affiliate marketing that you should be aware of to avoid wasting your time and effort. Don't number 1, don't promote anything and everything. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is promoting anything and everything. It's important to only promote products and services that are relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Promoting everything will lead to a loss of credibility and trust with your audience. Don't number 2, don't ignore your audience. Your audience is the most important aspect of your affiliate marketing business. Don't ignore them or treat them like they're just a number. Engage with your audience, provide value, and build trust. This will lead to more conversions and more income. Don't number 3, don't be dishonest. Being dishonest with your audience will ultimately lead to failure. Don't make false promises or promote products that you don't truly believe in. Always be honest and transparent with your audience. This will lead to a stronger relationship and more trust. Don't number 4, don't spam. Nobody likes spam, especially your audience. Don't spam your audience with affiliate links or promotions. Instead, focus on providing value and promoting products that truly help your audience. Don't number 5, don't ignore data. Finally, don't ignore your data. Track your clicks, conversions, and other metrics. This will help you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your affiliate marketing strategy for maximum success. And there you have it, the 5 don'ts of affiliate marketing. Avoiding these mistakes will save you time, effort, and money, and help you to build a successful affiliate marketing business. If you have any other tips or advice, be sure to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing content. Thanks for watching.